Hey everyone, Christian here from RackNerd. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you. We've just launched something we've been working on behind the scenes for quite some time. A next generation shared and reseller hosting platform that is now live. Already delivering results and designed from the ground up to raise the bar from what shared hosting can be. Whether you're a developer, a business owner, or a hosting reseller, if you care about performance, reliability, and value, this one's for you. Let's dive into the details and what this means to you, shall we? We're rolling out one of the largest infrastructure updates we've ever rolled out, a brand new shared and reseller hosting platform powered by Ryzen 7950X processors, NVMe storage, and CloudLinux 9. It's faster, it's more secure, it is more consistent. And the best part of all, we've rolled this out with no price increase whatsoever for our existing shared and reseller hosting customers. Let's talk about where we were and why this upgrade was necessary. For years, our shared and reseller hosting platform ran on a mix of Intel Xeon CPUs like Intel E3s, E2146Gs, and E2288Gs. These CPUs were selected for their strong single-thread performance, which is most important for PHP workloads like WordPress and other CMS-based sites, which is commonly used in shared hosting environments. That philosophy has not changed, but we've turned the dial all the way up, and I mean way, way up. Our new servers are powered by AMD Ryzen 7950X processors with boost clocks reaching 5.7 GHz per core. That means more responsive websites, faster control panel load times, and overall better performance, especially under real-world load. Starting now, all new shared and reseller hosting orders are being deployed on this new Ryzen-based platform by default. The old generation servers have been locked from new deployments, and we're moving forward with a fully standardized next-gen infrastructure. This was about more than just performance. There's a major shift happening in the industry right now with CloudLinux 7 approaching the end of life in January 2026. Now, we could have gone the easy route and just run in-place upgrades, but we knew that wasn't the right move for our production environments that need to be stable and secure. Instead, we chose to do this the right way. Full system replacement and clean OS deployments, the gold standard for uptime and reliability. And we didn't stop at CloudLinux 7 servers, we're also upgrading any existing CloudLinux 8 servers also, because we saw an opportunity to go all in and reimagine everything top to bottom. So what does this mean for you? Well, it actually means a modern, highly optimized stack consistent across every location. Whether you're hosting in Los Angeles, Germany, France, Singapore, your experience is now fully standardized and modernized and improved. Same performance, same tools, same reliability. And speaking of tools, the new platform includes cPanel, Control Panel, Jet Backup, Wasabi Hot Cloud Storage, Kernel Care, unlimited free SSL certificates, CP Guard Security, Softaculous Script Installer, SiteJet Website Builder, MailBaby integration, LiteSpeed Enterprise Web Server, are all built in, fully managed on all of our shared and reseller hosting servers, no extra work on your part. Need I say more? If you tried to build this same environment yourself on a dedicated server with a Ryzen 7950X CPU, NVMe storage, cPanel licensing, CloudLinux, LiteSpeed, Jet Backup, and the rest, you'd easily be looking at about $400 per month in software and hard costs. And that's not even factoring in the time you would spend managing everything yourself. At RackNerd, you've got the same enterprise-grade experience for just a few dollars per month with a shared or reseller hosting account. It's a deal that just makes sense, especially for resellers and webmasters who need something fast, secure, and consistent. You might be wondering about existing customers. Well, as of the time I'm making this video, which is July of 2025, we've already begun phase migration for our existing shared and reseller hosting clients. In fact, quite a bit of our existing servers have already been upgraded. If you're currently on our shared or reseller hosting platform and haven't been upgraded yet, don't worry. We're actively working through the queue and we'll email you in advance when your server is scheduled to be upgraded. Migrations are happening every week, and in most cases, the transition is zero downtime and requires no action on your part. Given the large amount of shared hosting servers that we have in production, it is expected that this project will take about 6 to 9 months before it is fully complete. However, significant progress is being made every single week. This is all being done at no additional cost to our existing customers as well. So RackNerd customers, you will only benefit from this. Since the new platform went live, feedback from customers has been amazing. We've seen feedback reporting things such as faster loads, smoother overall performance, and significantly lower support tickets tied to resource contention. For resellers, this translates into happier clients and fewer headaches. For webmasters and shared hosting clients, this translates to a highly modernized hosting solution, one that is fast and simply works. And this is just the beginning. We'll be expanding this platform to even more data center locations in the future, and in the coming weeks, we will also be sharing behind the scenes photos on our blog and social media, showcasing the hardware powering all of this. So stay tuned here on RackNerd TV as well as on our blog at blog.racknerd.com if you're curious to see what's under the hood. If you want to check it out yourself, now is the perfect time. Visit racknerd.com, toggle the menu to shared hosting or reseller hosting, and place your order. All new orders are being provisioned on the next gen platform right now. And one last note, let me let you in on a little secret. We haven't changed our pricing even for new orders. The shared and reseller hosting deals are live right now. They're essentially untouched. So in other words, you're getting next-gen hardware at yesterday's price. It is one of the best values you will find anywhere in the hosting world. So if you're looking for a faster, more reliable shared or reseller hosting experience with all the bells and whistles included, look no further. At RackNerd, we are committed to reinvesting in our business, and we're always looking out for the best interest of our customers. Even if it means putting in extra work behind the scenes, we're going to do it because we sincerely care. We're truly passionate about what we do, and maybe that's exactly why we've been recognized in the Inc. 5000 list multiple years in a row. This new next generation platform is just one example of the commitment, and we can't wait for you to experience it firsthand. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to RackNerd TV for more updates and behind the scenes content. If you have any questions, feel free to email us anytime at sales@racknerd.com. We're here to help. Until next time, stay tuned and stay nerdy.